Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create 90s editorial effects on Higgsfield AI, and this is what I mean by 90s editorial effects: images that look like they were shot in the 90s. So all you have to do is to log into your account on Higgsfield AI, and if you do not have one, create one. Scroll to the Higgsfield source section, click on 90s editorial. You'll be brought to a page similar to this, and let's assume I want to recreate something like this. All you have to do is to click on the image, and then you'll be brought to a page where you can actually copy the prompt or click on recreate to copy the prompt to where you can actually recreate an exact image. And then from this area you can actually just modify the prompt to make it yours, and change one or two things you do not want. So let me change this beige to let me make it yellow. Okay, I think this is the only thing I would like to change so that we would see our effect. So let me change this high to basic, because the high uses 2 credits for generation and basic would use only is credit. So I've changed something, so the floor should just be yellow. So let's see how our image will be. And normally Xfeed AI uses about 10 seconds to create an image, based on my opinion or my experience. So let's see how fast this generate takes. This okay, it's almost done. I mean, this is good. This is nice. So this is really beautiful. So you can see how fast the image generation process is. So you can actually animate it from here by clicking on the animate icon and click on the video or the speech section here to make it into a speaking video. So that's it guys. Let me know what you think about the video, and if you have any questions concerning this image effect, let me know in the comment section. Also guys, let me beg and please subscribe to the account. We are actually trying to grow. Thank you very much and do have a great day guys.